Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've been fitting a Akrapovic exhaust system and Lightech Rearsets to my 2018 Yamaha R6. So just thought I'd show you guys the results. I've left the standard headers with the cap there just to sort of for some comparison to the new exhaust. Now, Akrapovic have got a few different exhaust systems available for the R6. This one is the genuine Yamaha YEC or GYTR race kit part. So it's a titanium end can with stainless steel headers. And because it's the official racing part, it doesn't have the X-up valve. There's quite a few different versions available. But yeah, this is the sort of genuine Yamaha part. I'll put the part number in the description of this video just for some sort of guidance. I think reading on some forums, I have a feeling that it's a bit hard to get a hold of outside of the UK, or it's not available in all countries. But yeah, I mean, I'll put the item number in the description. It's a beautiful bit of kit. The welds on it are amazing. And obviously it's a lot lighter than the standard exhaust. So I've just weighed the standard system and the new one. The standard exhaust system with these headers, the cap and the titanium can is exactly 10.2 kilograms. And the new system, my one, was 5.2. So exactly 5 kilos lighter. Now, one of the Akrapovic options is a full titanium system. I think they call it the Evolution system, which apparently is about 1.5, 1.6 kilos lighter than this one. But again, this one's the actual Yamaha part, and this is what I was advised to buy by Raceways Yamaha. The headers are exactly the same diameter as that Evolution system, so all you're getting for the extra money is just sort of 1.5 kilos of weight saved, which they just recommended wasn't really worth it. So yeah, drag these out of the way. Now I have to apologise, I did try and make a video, sort of a video guide, a how-to video on fitting the exhaust and the rear sets, but because I'm doing it on my own, I tried to do it with a tripod and basically the video was just a mess. It would have been more confusing someone watching that as a guide than it is just to sort of give it a go and follow the instructions yourself. So I've decided not to post it. There's a close-up of the rear sets. Because I haven't ridden the bike yet, obviously, I've just sort of set it up looking about right, but there's lots and lots of adjustability on these. So once I've got the fairings on and sit on it for the first time, sort of take it for a blast, I'll play about with these. Loads of adjustability. That's that side. And the other is here. Now I'm going to pull the bike outside and start it up, see what it sounds like. So here goes, the bike's outside for the first time since the day I brought it home. This is literally going to be only the second time that I've ever started the bike up. The first time being in that very first vlog video that I did with the bike. So it's the first time starting it with the exhaust. Yeah, hopefully it sounds good. I'm expecting the engine management lights probably stay on because I've disconnected the lambda sensors, but that should go obviously when I get the bike mapped. sounds pretty good. I'm actually quite surprised as well. When I started the bike up then, it seemed to start a lot easier than the first time that I started it when it was cold. So maybe that's just because it's been in the house and the actual engine's a bit warmer. But yeah, so that's it. The Akrapovic YEC GYTR racing part. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what else you want to see about the bike. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.